Cross-border competition, knowledge sharing, and free trade in goods and services are essential for increasing the EU's international economic competitiveness. Liberals believe that nationalization and protectionism hinder economic growth and prosperity. They're not the answer to the present financial crisis. We support coordinated efforts on the international stage to better regulate the financial sector while ensuring a competitive business environment.
We will go further with democracy on one side, with a free market, an open market on the other side, but that means with more regulation.
A competitive European business environment creates jobs and reduces prices. Liberals promote free trade, including the expansion of the EU's internal market, which will increase the choice of products and services that people have access to.
Lifting all the barriers and the procedures will enable all the citizens, all the consumers all around the EU to take benefit of the real single market.
Inventions and discoveries are vital for achieving competitive advantage. The fifth freedom, the free movement of knowledge, including more opportunities for students, academics and researchers to live and work in a different EU country, is essential for fostering new ideas.
If we want to have a strong economy in Europe, we need more of innovation, more of small businesses. We need more women to start up businesses.
Europe's liberals will create a strong and competitive economy that will benefit the people of Europe.
In the new Europe, driving growth and prosperity means business and consumers energizing a healthy internal market through the new dynamics of demand.
Vote Liberal in June 2009.